Chickpea snake gourd coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes. Today we are going to make chickpea snake gourd coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 150 grams of chickpea soaked in water for around 6 hours, around 200 grams of snake gourd peeled and cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 10 to 12 shallots, 2 to 3 red chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the red chili, put in the onion pieces, and the shallots, salt, into the shallots, ginger and garlic together with the rest of the mixture. Put in the snake gourd pieces. Mix the snake gourd pieces with the rest of the mixture. In the Saute too. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the tomato pieces thoroughly. Thoroughly mix in the tomato pieces. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix. Put in the chickpea, mix thoroughly. Mix in the chickpea, the rest of the mixture. Pour in 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 20 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 40 to 45 minutes if in the open pan. Now the chickpea snake gourd coconut milk stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chickpea snake gourd coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veggie recipes, and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes, and one of the most unique of the snake gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.